about the Mustang is that it really introduced drivers to the whole idea of options, of speccing up your car. So when it first came out in the early 1960s, nobody wanted a bongo standard one with a six-cylinder engine. They wanted ones like this, the GT390.
This is the Bullet Mustang, the one Steve McQueen hurled into movie history around the streets of San Francisco.
The GT390 is, in car terms, one of the seven wonders of the world. The noise, the presence.
Very, very few cars live up to their hype.
But this car does, and I should know, because this is my GT390.
I use it to make a Mustang.